Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Keymee K, and we're gonna be doing another hair review. So this unit was sent out to me from westkiss Hair, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. As you can see, there is all their social medias if you want to check their company out. So starting out, they did send eyelashes, this neat velcro headband for your edges. I like these because you can just put it on. You don't have to like lose circulation, waiting on baby hairs to dry up. And then they did send this wig cap that you wear at nighttime, but it has the black and the purple so you can switch it out. So with this unit, it is going to be their curly lace front wig. It is 180% density. It is the 13x4, and you do get like the frontal front, so it's not curved around. You have the whole 13x4 lace all in the front, so you can do whatever you want to with this unit. They did get two combs on the sides, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then the lace is going to be a transparent lace. So as you can see, it is pre-plucked, and you do get baby hairs in the front. I would say with this unit, I just put it on after the pack, but I would go ahead and bleach the knots. That way you can get like a really pretty just flawless install, because the hair overall, it is already pre-plucked free and everything. So just doing that one extra step, it will just give you like a super flawless install. So I'm going to be using my got to be glued in the black bottom using a gel. I'm going to be just putting like just a layer and putting that across the hairline. With this unit, you will see like after I did put the gel, the I don't know, I guess the gel made the whole hairline like white, so I did have to go in and put some powder. But you will see that in just a second. With this unit, it is the 20 inches. I don't think I said that. And on the website, it is going to be $293.54. They do have a 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch if you don't want the 20 inches. And they do have Afterpay, Klarna, and PayPal. So you can make 4 interest-free payments of $73.39. So, I like the length for the summertime. It's like it's not too hot, it's not too cold. It actually is like a lot of hair, but it's not heavy at all. So as you can see, I'm applying my powder. I'm using the shade 362 Truffle and a Maybelline Fit Me powder to go ahead and cover up that white, because I don't know, it wasn't bad. The lace was already transparent, but it wasn't bad to where I'm like, oh my god, you know what I'm saying? But it's an easy fix. And then now I'm applying baby hairs. I love curly hair, and with curly hair, I be liking like baby hairs like all over. So I just wanted something like all over, kind of to not baby hairs don't make it natural, but like when you put baby hairs with a curly unit, like curly hair itself, it's like natural baby hairs. So I just wanted baby hairs all over, basically. And I just wanted extra dramatic baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I am going to be applying water, and I did use the argan oil gel that I don't know where the clip is at, but that's all I did with this unit. This hair, it is soft. I did get a lot of shedding, but not tangling. But the hair overall, it is soft. The density, it is a full density, so I love the density. With this unit, I only did the flip over method. I thought it was so freaking pretty. You see that? It's just so pretty with baby hairs and everything. It's so effortless. So I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit. Thanks to westkiss for sending me out this unit, because it's a gorgeous unit. Look at that density. So freaking gorgeous. But I will leave the link down below. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.